How much does probate cost in Arizona? Hi, I'm Attorney Paul Deloughery, and I'll answer that question in 3 steps. Now keep watching to the end because I'll give you some specific amounts from my over 20 years of experience focusing on probate and estate planning here in Arizona. Okay, so here we go. Step 1, let's talk about the variables. Now, I frequently get calls from people asking how much a probate costs. And frankly, it's kind of like going to a car dealership and asking how much a car costs. You know how when you go to a dealership and you might see a car with a $14,999 price tag that somehow jumps to over $20,000 before leaving the dealership? Well, probate can be a little like that. So when it comes to probate costs, buckle up. We're not just taking a quick spin around the block. Okay, that was a bad joke. Sorry about that. Probate costs in Arizona are a little bit like a mystery box. You think you know what's inside, but surprises await. There are court fees, attorney fees, appraisal fees, and maybe even a partridge in a pear tree. Okay, another bad joke. Sorry. Just kidding about the last part. Anyway, just like cars come in all shapes and sizes, so do probates. If your estate is like a straightforward, reliable sedan, your costs might be lower. But if it's more like a high-maintenance luxury car with complex assets and family disputes, those costs can rev up faster than a sports car at a green light. Another bad joke. Sorry about that. Okay, step 2. Remember, the cost of probate isn't just measured in dollars and cents. It's also about the time and emotional energy spent. It's like owning a car. The initial price tag is just the beginning. Maintenance, fuel, and the occasional auto freshener or air freshener add up. Now in probate, being prepared and having expert guidance can help you manage these maintenance costs. Okay, then step 3. What are the specific costs in Arizona? Okay, here we go. The filing fee here in Maricopa County is $279, but that varies in other counties. Anyway, it's roughly that. Legal fees for a standard uncontested probate generally range from $3,500 on the low end to maybe $8,000 on the high end, and it really depends on what bells and whistles come with it, what's included. Now, if you don't know the names and contact information for all the heirs, you could have the cost of a genealogy company to do the research for you, and that's about $1,500, 1500. If there's a complication and the court requires a probate commissioner or judge to make a decision, that will increase the cost. For example, if you only have a photocopy of the will or the family doesn't all agree on who should become personal representative, then you'll need to petition the court and have a hearing, and that increases the cost by at least $5,000, let's say, $5,000. Now, if there's a lengthy dispute, such as a dispute over the validity of the will or whether the will was the result of undue influence, for example, then the legal fees can go much higher. In conclusion, you're not on this road trip alone. For more guidance on navigating the probate process, give us a call or go to probatemadesimple.com.